Assalamualaikum and good morning. I am Husna binti Abdul Razak, and today I am here to interview some of the students and fellow in Nilam Court Residential College. As we all know, the Minister of Higher Education has issued a statement that all of the higher institute student will come back to college after a month of having a virtual class due to pandemic COVID-19. Let's go to our destination. Pada pandangan doktor, setelah pelajar kembali pulang ke kolej, apakah kebaikan yang dapat doktor rasakan? Dan kemungkinan ada juga keburukan yang berlaku apabila mereka pulang ke sini. Apakah pandangan doktor? Adakah kepulangan mereka memburukkan lagi keadaan pandemik yang berlaku di negara kita?
Okey, kita telah hidup dengan zaman pandemik COVID-19 dah hampir almost 2 tahun lah, setahun lebih lah. So, kita perlu hidup dalam COVID-19 ni. Sampai bila-bila kita nak takut dengan dia, sampai bila kita pun macam okey, itu tak boleh, ini tak boleh. So, kita pun tak tahu sampai bila benda ni akan berakhir. So, seperti kita tahu sekarang kita ada virus baru lagi, Omicron pula kan. So, kalau kita sentiasa okey, ini tak boleh, ini tak boleh, sampai bila kita nak hidup dalam keadaan yang terikat. So bagi saya, kepulangan pelajar ni memang ada buruk dan ada baiknya, tetapi kita kena deal macam mana kalau kita nak handle benda tu. Bila ada kes, apa yang kita perlu buat adalah untuk mengekang benda tu daripada berlaku. Kebaikannya dari segi bila pelajar balik ni, saya tengok bila pelajar ada kelas face to face, okeylah mereka boleh pergi ke kelas secara face to face, terutama pelajar unit beruniform. Kalau dia tak balik sini, macam mana dia nak ditauliahkan? So kalau nak kawal online ke, kalau kita nak practice online pun, kita tak dapat the skills tu. So selepas kita dah habis 4 tahun di SIM ni, nanti awak semua akan bekerja di luar, akan hidup dengan dunia luar kan. Tapi kalau tidak ada skills tu, macam mana? So saya rasa bila kepulangan tu, itulah satu kebaikan. Bila pelajar dapat bertemu dengan kawan-kawan, assignment tu bila kita buat face to face tu, saya rasa bila saya mengajar pun sendiri, bila kita buat assignment tu online, kadang-kadang memang ada pelajar yang participate, ada pelajar yang tak participate. Nak discussion tu kadang-kadang mudah, kadang-kadang agak sukar. Kita pun tahu mungkin kekangan internet, semua tu lah. So bila pelajar berada di sini, ialah nak buat tugasan tu mungkin lebih mudah. Mungkin bila pelajar yang ada masalah capaian internet pun lebih mudah di sini. So itu antara kebaikan-kebaikan lah. Keburukan tu tak adalah saya kata keburukan, cumanya kita perlu bersedia sekiranya ada kes. Kita tak boleh cakap benda tu sebagai keburukan, sebab kita dah kena hidup dalam zaman COVID-19. So apa yang kita buat, bila ada kes, apa yang kita perlu buat. So itulah risiko yang kita perlu hadapi bila kita terima pelajar balik. Itulah yang saya rasa, bila kita terima pelajar balik, kita tahu pelajar dari macam-macam negeri, dan bila kita terima pelajar balik juga, pelajar memang akan ada urusan untuk balik semula ke rumah. Jadi apa yang saya cakap tadi, bila ada kes, apa yang kita perlu buat. Itulah risiko zaman pandemik COVID-19 ni, itulah yang saya nampak lah.
This is the atmosphere of the NCRC College Cafe at night. One of the advantage of living in college is that we can get to leisure and play sports with friends in the evening. When you can finally come back to college.
Okay, so my feelings after I come back to the college is, of course, at first I feel really excited because I finally can meet my friends after a long time. We on the lockdown of the COVID-19. After that, I feel really good. Like maybe I stay in college, I feel like the utilities are good, the environment also good, and so on.
Okay, firstly, I can feel so happy because I can come back to college. Firstly, because I can meet my friend since I never meet them since the MCO. Secondly, I feel so happy because I can do many activities with them like staycation, bonding, and so on. And lastly, I can get the better internet connection here.
When you are finally in college, can you see the difference staying in college now and staying in college before the pandemic happened?
Of course, I can saw the difference between the before and now. Like before this, we doesn't need to wear the mask, we doesn't need to follow the SOP. Maybe we can go out easily because currently we need to write our names, we need to inform the fellow about we want to go outside, where we are about, and now, yeah, we need to wear the mask always. We need to sanitize our hands, and we need curfew. Like maybe we can only go out when it's 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. So we just have that time. If we want to do anything else, like maybe go out, like maybe hang out, like maybe jogging and so on.
So before the pandemic, we get the freedom to do all things such as gathering in the large number of members. But now after the pandemic, we have followed the SOP because we want to avoid from being affected by the COVID-19. I prefer before the pandemic, but yes, we have to accept everything now.
How about the college environment? Is it good for you to stay here, to study here?
Okay, so for the college environment, like I said before, it's really good because we have the internet access. So it's easy for us to do the assignment, to do the study group. Maybe your friends at home, you can do the meet. So the line is also good. The environment is also not bad, as you have the friends, you have the fellow, so you feel much safer than you staying outside.
Here I get very good environment since I come back to college. Firstly, because I can get the study vibe here. Second, I have a very supporting friend, and lastly, I can have the very nice neighborhood.
What is the main reason you are staying here instead of the rented house or your house?
Okay, so the main reason I come back and stay in the college is because I need to do my lab session, as I am from the science stream student, my food biotech. So I need to do the experiment. I need to analysis that maybe that any other for me to learn. So that, and the lab session is also the part of my my marks. So I need to score my lab session, unless I will get maybe 0 or maybe less mark than other student that go to the lab session. And the main reason I stay in college is because it feel more safer.
Very strong. Why? Because I come back to college is I want to get a very better internet connection here. Second, it is easier for me to attend the discussion here because I can meet my friend face to face, not by online or so on.
What is the advantage that you can get when you can finally come back to college?
Firstly, I can be more focused while attending the online class. Second, since I involved in uniform unit, so when I come back to college, I can complete my syllabus before we are graduate.
That's all the report from me, Husna Abdul Razak.